Blog YouTube, let's go. Last box of the night. It's extremely thin. Oh, so that's a big one in there. It's a big one. I don't even know which way it is. It's all jumbled up. But there you go. Phyllis Diller. There you go, Jay. As soon as you step in the building. $3.98 out of $3.99. Chuck Foreman. $2.73 out of $3.49. Oh, we got a redemption. Roy Hello Jr. 1 out of $4.99. Yeah, we'll save it. Oh, shit. I shouldn't have peeked. For the Texans, Whitney Merciless, 118 out of 299. Shit, I hope this is what this may be. That'd be nice. Come on. I'll get the base out the way. We see the helmet. Can we see some colors? A nice patch would do me right about now. Come on. Wow. We got robbed. It's nice nonetheless, though. 16 out of 25. I thought they'd at least give me a patch. And Deshaun Jackson, 56 out of 399. No, it's Walter Payton. Y'all can't see that, can y'all? It is for a Material Phenom Silver Spotlight Michael Floyd for the Cardinals. Yeah, it's they font is like extra negative small. That shit's so small it won't even focus. You can see it on YouTube, trust me. No, it's 3. Only 3 hits. Blog YouTube, that is it. Thank you guys for joining. See you around next time.